In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a contact form in WordPress, making it easy for visitors to reach you without exposing your personal email. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugins section, choose Add New and search for WP Forms Lite. Click Install and then Activate. Next, go to WP Forms, select Add New and choose the simple contact form template. Using the drag and drop builder, you can customize fields like name, email, message, or add extras like phone number or drop-down menus. Once your form is ready, configure confirmations in the settings. You can either display a thank you message or redirect visitors to a thank you page. Finally, place the form on any page or post using the WP Forms block in the editor. And that's it, your contact form is live, keeping communication easy and secure for you and your visitors.